Okay, here we are again. Behind the scenes with Michael Lyons. So we got done doing a show this morning. It was up around 4 o'clock, I think, 4:30. This is my house. This is the door to the bedroom. I got Bagheera. Hey, Bagheera, you in there? Yeah. I'll let him out in a second. This is the bathroom. And this is the window outside. There's a big old drum. Let's see. This is some artwork my niece did. That's me in outer space.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Emily, and I'm here today with NANABOOZHOO and Natasha. And we'd like to sing a song for you right now. A little song to say thank you for listening. Miigwech biz and egg. All right, you ready? Okay, you too? All right, this is by Elton John, and the song is called Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatters.
And now I know Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow here in Bemidji until you've seen this trash can dream come true. You stand at the edge while people run you through. And I thank the Lord there's people out there like you. Thank the Lord for the people out there like you.
Like you all.
While Mona Lisa's and Mad Hatter's sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, but they can light no, not if it's dark outside or light. This Broadway's got a lot of songs to sing. If I knew the tunes, I might join in. I'll go my way alone, grow my own seed shall be sown here in Bemidji. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo he can drown. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. I thank the Lord for the people I have found. while Mona Lisas and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sky, what they can, that is light. They know not if it's dark outside or light. Now I know Spanish Harlem are not just pretty words to say. I thought I knew, but now I know that rose trees never grow here in Bemidji. Subway's no way for a good man to go down. Rich man can ride, and the hobo he can drown. Thank the Lord for the people I have found. Thank the Lord for the people I have found. While Mona Lisas and Mad Hatters, sons of bankers, sons of lawyers, turn around and say good morning to the night. For unless they see the sign, what they can, that is why. They know not if it's dark outside or light. They know not if it's dark outside or light. I thank the Lord for the people I have found right here at the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. Miigwech Bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. These are a bunch of cartoons I did for my grandpa when he was still alive. And then my grandmother framed it. And then when she passed away, I got it back. So here's some cartoons. On to the living room. Here's my cozy living room. There's the couch. Here's a Picasso, because I'm classy like that. This is the best thing here. This is my fireplace. My cousin Missy showed up one day last winter. She said, "Here you go. Here's a TV." I never had one of these big TVs before. That works as a perfect fireplace. This over here, NanaBOOZHOO viewers will know is Princess. That was my cat before Bagheera. BOOZHOO. This is a poem about the loss of a pet. This poem is called Tribute to a Best Friend. Sunlight streams through window pane onto a spot on the floor. Then I remember it's where you used to lie, but now you are no more. Our feet walk down a hall of carpet, and muted echoes sound. Then I remember it's where your paws would joyously abound. A voice is heard along the road and up beyond the hill. Then I remember, it can't be yours. Your golden voice is still. But I'll take that vacant spot of floor, an empty muted hall, and lay them with the absent voice, an unused dish along the wall. I'll wrap these treasured memories in a blanket of my love and keep them for my best friend until we meet above. Rest in peace, princess. All right. Oh wait, I guess I can show you the kitchen. There's my refrigerator. The kitchen. I don't know how much you want to see here. The dirty dishes. Coffee pot. And whatever. All right. Behind the scenes with Michael Lyons of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. A video that I probably won't ever use. Which
Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about OJIBWE language and culture. We're happy to be here with you today to speak OJIBWE and learn about the language and culture.